Okay, so today we're looking at the chemical equation between vinegar and baking soda, and we're discussing the reactants and then the products. So this is just a quick demonstration to take a look at what we're seeing in the equation and what we're seeing in the actual experiment or lab. So I have a graduated cylinder, and we're going to measure 10 milliliters of vinegar. Okay. Perfect. So we got 10 milliliters of vinegar. Alright. And then I need half a teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, and we're going to put the baking soda in a clear cup or jar. Okay, and while you watch, we're going to just go ahead and pour the vinegar into the baking soda. And again, simple demonstration. Most of you know what's going to happen, but this will at least give you an idea as while we're talking about the equations and the reactants and products between produced from vinegar and baking soda, we at least have an idea or at least review what is occurring. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this in, and I want you to take a look at what is being produced. Alright, so what we saw were bubbles forming and rising up in my jar, and again that was baking soda and vinegar. And so hopefully we can take a look at the chemical equation and see both the reactants and the products.